Hi guys, my name is Philip Blake from the Philip Moss channel, and on today I'm really excited to show you guys. This is something I got from Amazon. It is the Bob the Builder DVD Toolbox set. Yeah, it includes 10 DVDs in this box set. It's really awesome. This is an import from UK, and all the DVDs are region 2. So if you live in the US or you don't live in the UK or whatsoever, or any country that has region 2 DVDs, you will need a region free player like I do. Yep. So the front cover, we have some of your favorite characters, and it's the same thing on this as the limited edition, and it has over 10 hours. On this side, the DVDs that comes with. And let me show you the bottom. Here's the UK rating, rated U, Universal, and rated G in Ireland. And as I mentioned, the DVDs are region 2, and we have the Hit Entertainment logo. So, and here's the top. And sadly, this is not actually a real handle. I wish it was though. That would have been awesome. There was an older Bob the Builder DVD box set that is just like this, but it had like some older DVDs, and I think it came with like a book or some sort. Yeah. If you all know what I'm talking about, then yeah. If you look up on Wikipedia or on the internet or something like that. Anyways, enough talk. Let's open this up with my handy dandy scissors. So, time to reveal the DVDs. Trying to open this up. Oh. Inside it's pretty hollow. I think, yeah, it's in a heavy-duty cardboard. And, wow, this looks awesome. Here is the Bob the Builder Ready, Steady, Build advertisement. Shelter, and then the Little Big Club, showing all your favorite Hit Entertainment shows. This is what the inside looks like. It shows books, stuff like that. This is the back on some sort of magazines. I'm sorry, I'm just so excited I can't keep still. Yeah, sorry about that. Yeah, just excited. So, here's what the DVDs that comes with this. This is Bob's Big Plan. The back. Here's the disc. Chip off the old block. Back. All these cases are slim cases. Pop it open, and here's the disc. Let's scram. The disc. Super Speedy Benny. And here's the disc. Bud's Bumper Harvest. Lofty the Star. Oh, I thought there was a little advertisement, but let me show you what the inside box looks like in a moment, once I've showed these DVDs. Bob's Top Team. Oh. The disc. Alright, got 3 more to go. The Three Musketeers. And I also have the American release of Three Musketeers. And also Bob's Big Plan. So I have both UK and US version of Three Musketeers and Bob's Big Plan. Alright, 2 more. Adventures in Boblin Bay. The disc. And the last one, Radio Bob. And the inside, it's kind of all beat up in there, but, and this piece broke off, but still a pretty cool box set. Yep. Let me grab the DVDs. Hey, trying to run away from me. So you get 10 DVDs in one box set, which is pretty cool. And they're all slim case too. Here's what all the spines look like. And then you can put them in this. Just like so. Yeah, this is a pretty awesome DVD box set. And I'm surprised that when you open the top, it shows the same thing as what you see on the top. The DVDs and the characters. So yeah, this is a really awesome box set. If you have a region-free player and you love Bob the Builder, I recommend that you pick this product up. I mean, this is really amazing. Whether if you pick up the 2010 release or the older release, whatever. Yep, this is a really awesome box set. So that's going to do it for me, everybody. See you all next time. Bye.